What motivated us to bring a coating vessel to our facility was we wanted to do our own quality control on our tools. We wanted to reduce the delivery time to our customers and improve the overall solutions to our customers. It took us about 2 weeks to install and train to get us going. After that, about 45 days later, we were in full production. It decreased our cost by almost 75%. The coating business grew almost 50% in the first year. After 4 months, I can honestly say we're doing about 16,000 tools per month. If we could have gone back, yes, we should have invested earlier, at least 2 to 3 years. The way you evaluate a company is not when you buy it and they train you and get you going. You're gonna have problems, and when you have problems is when they pick up the phone and fix your problems right away. When we call Platit, either A, they can take care of it on the phone, or B, they send somebody here and take care of it. Would I recommend Platit for someone else for coating? Absolutely. They've been in the business a long time. They got a great support here in the United States. They got spare parts here, great training, and just easy people to work with.